Hello everyone, Mel here with Abstract Fitness. Today we're going to focus on your core. We're going to do planks and bird dog and even bridge. So I have 5 different exercises for you here. Okay, let's start by warming up on your all fours, bird dog. There we go. Okay, so you can put cushion on your knees to protect them. Engage your shoulders, abs into your spine. We're going to extend the right leg, flex the foot. Find your balance. If you're strong enough, you can bring your left arm by your ear, pinky finger down, thumb up. Stay strong here. Maybe you're going to move, that's okay. If you feel that you're not strong enough, bring your hand right here on the floor. Breathe, we're just going to stay here. That's it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, good. And slowly release. We have 2 arms, 2 legs. So again, engage your shoulders, abs into your spine, protect your lower back. Extend your left leg, flex the foot. When you're ready, extend your right arm by your ear. So keep the shoulders and hips parallel to each other. You just need to breathe here. That's it. Good. Can we go again? For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, beautiful. And slowly release. Plank to dolphin. This is very good as well to gain strength in your shoulders. I love this one. So you start right here. So if you want the measurements, grab your opposite elbows right here, open your arms and grab them together. Plank and pike. Look down at your feet. Come back, inhale to plank. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Again, keeping the shoulders down, away from your ears. Make sure you're not arching your back. You can drop on your knees if you need a rest. And pike again. Down and pike. Good. And again. 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. You're welcome to stay here in Dolphin for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Bend one knee, bend the other knee, and slowly release. I'm going to give a rest to your shoulders. Let's go on your back for bridge. Okay, so bend your knees, feet are flat, arms are by your side. We're going to inhale, exhale to bring your bum up, contract your glutes. We're going to go down, inhale, exhale. Why are you working your core? Because we're working against gravity and you need to bring your bum off the floor. Good. Super simple exercise, so effective. I love this one. I give it to a lot of my clients. And you know what? This is a basic exercise. If I want to make it harder, I just need to modify it. I can be on my heels. I can also do one leg over. I can even do one leg up. Okay? So choose your option and just go for it. 5, 4, 3, 2, one more. Good. And slowly release. We're going to turn on our side. In a life, we can do the hip thrust. So you can lift like that. You can use your other hand. You can extend one leg and lift up, or on both feet and go up like that. Okay, choose your option. Let's try to do 10. Ready? Inhale, exhale up. Inhale, exhale up. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Woo, and slowly release. I really feel it in my obliques. Now switch it up. Same thing, the other side. I think he likes my mat. Hi, Riley. You like my mat? It's comfy. It's comfier than the mat, than the floor. Okay, are you ready? Choose again your option, like that. Extend one leg or right on your feet. Okay, I'm ready. Are you ready? 10 reps. Let's go. Up, inhale, exhale, up. Again, try to bring that hip as high as you can towards the sky. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Woo, good. And release. I like we can do a second set. Let's go back. Bird dog. Engage your shoulders and your abs into your spine. Extend your right leg. Flex your foot. If you lift your leg too high, see, I'm going to arch my back. So I prefer you keep it lower. Find your balance. Extend right here your left arm. I'm going to do something else here. You're welcome to stay here, not moving, or go out and then in again. Out, inhale, exhale, move back in. So I'm moving a tiny bit my arm and my leg. Abs are tight. 4, 3, 2, good. One more. Good. And release. We have both arms, both legs to do. Again, engage your shoulders and core. When you're ready, extend your left leg, flex the foot. If you have your balance here, bring your right arm by your ear. Keep the shoulders parallel to each other. Same with the hips. You're welcome to stay neutral or go out. Inhale, exhale to come back. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, that's it, and one more. Nice. Plank to dolphin. Take your measurements. Bring your elbows down. Open your arms and grab your fingers together. Plank, inhale. Exhale to pike. Inhale, go down. Exhale, pike. Remember, you're always welcome to drop your knees. Listen to yourself. Make sure you don't have any pain in your shoulders. If not, you need a break. Your body's talking to you. 5, 4, 3, 2, and one more. Nice. And bend your knees to release. Let's go on your back for bridge. Arms are by your side. Again, choose your option. One leg if you want as well. You just need to switch your legs. Inhale to start. Exhale to lift. Please contract your glutes at the top. Lower to inhale. Exhale to go up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and one more. That's it. And release. Turn on your side. And let's go again, right here for the hip thrust. You do it here. Extend one leg or right from your feet. Again, please choose your option. Are you ready? Inhale, exhale, go. Inhale, exhale, up. So look straight ahead. 5, 4, 3, 2, and one more. Good. And release. Are you bored? Let's switch side. Same thing. Choose your option and start right away. Let's go. That's it. 5, 4, 3, 2. Whoop, I lost my balance. 2. One more. That's it. And slowly release. Voila! These were your 5 exercises to work your core. I hope you like them. Please do them maybe twice a week. And I hope to see you soon for more exercise videos.